you clutch jumping on Model A?
We'll get it. Hey guys, we're in the mountains today. We're converting my occasional rental vacation house to a full-time rental. So we're moving everything out. We're having some friends up here this weekend. We're having a bunch of fun. We're doing some off-roading. But the main focus is we need to move this 1929 Model A Ford Roadster down the hill. Now, I thought about trailering it, but that's boring. It could be way more fun if we actually drove it all the way back to the desert, which is a tall order. The thing has been in every inclement weather. It's had snow buried all the way to the windshield. The tires are weather checked. The engine block's cracked in like 6 different spots. It's missing floorboards. The seat's horrible. But I'm a crazy person, so I want to drive it. And if we can get it running, we're going to go for it. So this thing has been up here for 8 years. And as much as I tried to drain the block so that nothing would crack, it's still cracked. So if we're actually going to try and take this thing off-roading all the way down the mountain and out into the desert, we're going to have to JB weld some cracks. I don't see any other way around it. So we're going to get to that right now, because we're going to try and take this down the hill tomorrow. We need to give this time to cure. Equal parts. Okay, here we go. I have no idea if this is actually going to work, but we're going to try it and we're going to have fun. And if the motor locks up, it don't really matter because it's already kind of broken anyway. Bailey said, why don't you just coat the whole engine in it? And I think I kind of have to. There's no way this is going to work.
Is the radiator good?
No, probably not.
So what kind of carburetor is that?
It's a Zenith updraft carburetor that some old man chrome plated years ago.
What do you got on your door over here, bro?
Fix a radiator.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Also fix the head.
Fix a block, fix a head, fix it all.
My name's Kyle Power, and this is John Emerson Baker the third ×9 and his brand new 1929 Lincoln Grand Marquis Chrysler 300 with a Hemi big block. Hey, Baker, explain to the people what you're doing, because this is YouTube.
We're putting gas in it.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. I don't want that.
Sitting here going, there's nothing wrong with this. I know there's nothing wrong with it.
It runs great.
I'm thoroughly surprised.
Explain to the people what's going on here, John.
Well, we're hillbillies. Pepper and an egg. What, are we making breakfast on this thing?
I think if you start with pepper first, it'll seal it right out.
Dude, listen to this thing. Purrs like a kitten. It's got the original fluid, spare fluid holder dealio on the side. Dude, that's making 800 horsepower, no problem. All right, John, what's the situation going on? All right, the radiator hose is, well, the tubing is so rotted out. We don't have enough.
Thing in the pool heater.
Okay.
There's got to be something around here. Maybe we'll cut it out from your neighbor's house. Maybe the main line. Oh shit, the exhaust pipe. I wonder what size that is.
Things were looking kind of dire for a second. This radiator hose on the bottom has a rubber hose and then a metal part and another rubber part. and the metal part is completely rotted out. It's gone. And we figured out that the exhaust pipe is the same diameter tubing. So if we cut the exhaust off, we won't have the dimples at the end that actually hold the clamp on the tubing, but it might work, and we're going to give it a shot.
Maybe right in there.
Dude,
We'll use a key.
we're on a mission from God.
Roadside repairs.
Remember, cut twice, measure once. Oh my god, this car is falling apart. And there we go. Oh yeah. Dude.
Jesus.
Hey, guys, are you serious right now?
Dude, I'm telling you, the exhaust pipe was like meant to be.
What? Perfect. It wouldn't be a proper test run if we didn't take it to the liquor store to get a 6-pack of beer the night before. Everything's running good till you hit a bump on the road and then the steering jumps around a little bit. But I think this thing will make it. So tomorrow's going to be a hell of an adventure. All right, we've had a couple of setbacks this morning. We were tightening the radiator hose and I actually slipped my hand off the wrench and tore my fingernail off. So that was fun. Lots of blood. A lot of blood, folks. Starting procedure, key on. Check that it's not in gear. Button on the floor is the starter. No problem. We got this. 40 miles. Let's do this thing. All right. First stop is the gas station. Everything seems okay so far. Lots of power. They really like to put gas tanks in the sketchiest places back in the day. This is where your feet go, down in here. This is where you sit. So if you get in a wreck, the gas tank basically hits you in the face. Nice. And the gas gauge is literally just a floating around in a sight bowl in front of your face.
Ready?
Oh yeah. We're on our way to the trailhead. So far everything's running smooth. We got a full tank of gas. It's got oil in it. It's really sketchy to steer. If it hits a bump of the road, you jump all over the lane. And to make matters worse, people want to look at you because the car is cool. So they get all close and it's like, dude, I barely got control of this thing. Get away from me. But life is good. The weather's perfect. We're in an almost 100-year-old car. And we've got a group of buddies. And everything is great. So, here we go. What do you think, Sam?
I think she's ready to roll.
What do you think, random stranger?
Can I take a picture by the truck?
You want to take a picture with it?
Hell yeah, man. I love this truck. I like all the trucks.
Cool, man. Thumbs up. Yeah, cool. You like this thing?
This thing's amazing, man. You shocked me, man.
What's that?
You shocked me. I wasn't expecting to see that up here.
Right? We're going to try and drive it all the way down to the desert.
See? Drive slow.
Yeah, well, it's only got one speed.
How fast does it go? Like 30, 40?
30. We're at the trailhead. From this point on, it'll be off-road all the way. We're going for it. Full bore. Rock on, brother. God! Not good. I want to show you guys the best time we've had the whole journey so far. This concrete right here has been the most enjoyable section of the entire drive. You don't want to do this in a Model A, it's not fun.
Hey Baker, you got a temp gauge?
No. But if you bought the higher end Model A, the radiator cap had a thermometer. This is not the higher end one. So you just spit on the engine, and if it boils, you should probably stop and seek help.
Is that why we're stopped?
This is why we're stopped.
Yeah, give it a yo. I got two.
Hawk to it. Is it boiling?
Good.
Dude, we're chilling. Alright, so I've been torturing myself for this. I was gonna do it anyway, whether we filmed it or not, but I'm filming it. So I better see a bunch of subscribers from this. Seriously, get in there, subscribe to my page, or I'm gonna have a BF! Kyle's like CW Moss.
No, he's Hank Hill.
Yeah.
WD-40.
Oh God, the nail's showing. Oh, what do you have there, Peter? A soda?
That was a Sprite.
Yeah. Oh my God. I didn't anticipate going rock crawling today. Ah, that wasn't that bad. Oh, this will be worse. This camera doesn't really show how horrible the rocks are.
At least this part's downhill.
Well, I don't know if the camera does it any justice, but that is a clip that's like straight off. And I've got the brakes full on and the wheels are just sliding. So hopefully this YouTube comes out and it isn't an obituary. Idiot in his Model A goes down mountain. Oh no, come on now. We're really going down that?
We're going down that. Holy cow.
Why are we doing this? My elbow. Dude. I'm getting the shit kicked out of me today. You know, they call it a funny bone and it's not funny.
It makes you feel fun.
Yet! You can tell they're a Joshua tree because of the way they are. Everybody backs up.
To be honest, all the pressure's probably coming through all the cracks of the head.
There's no water in it. That's why there's no pressure.
Oh, there's some. It's not a lot.
Luckily, you have gas cans full of water. Yep. Yeah. It's cooling everything off.
Well, that engine oil is really thin.
It's 0.0.
Yeah. It's lubricating the oil and the water.
I know science, man, but I believe that's true.
Maybe need a little bit of water.
Wow. You need a half a gallon.
That's not bad.
Transmission sounding a little crunchy. I did miss a shift back there. Wasn't the best. Oh no, nobody said anything about a sand wash.
Guys, push harder.
Oh my God. That's such a
Those are-
cool vehicle.
Those are sand tires for sure.
Welcome to Glamis, California.
One, two, three.
Axle hop. Holy cow. Oh, dang it. Hey, get back there and push.
I'm going to.
That's all you're good for.
You're not. Let it roll. You're gonna need more speed than that.
More speed, John. This is basically chocolate thunder. Jake, we need you for every hill. you clutch jumping on Model A?
We'll get it.
What's driving Baker? Rage.
Yeah, right now, currently. Okay.
You're good. Take your time. Nice Raptor. Hey, John. I'm having a great time.
Well, we may have found the hill that the Model A is not really willing to cooperate on. I'm gonna go see this cool cabin up here. But this hill is nuts. It's really hard to tell, but it's a hill. It's a big one. We found a really cool old garage. I don't know why people like to do stuff like this. There's all this cool old stuff in the desert, and crappy people like to leave vandalism. Broken bottles, spray paint. Just leave it alone. Why do you guys have to come make your mark on the place? Anyway, that's my rant for the day. But realistically, this garage is probably old enough that a Model A, like the one I'm driving, may or may not have been parked in here in the distant past. Really cool spot. It's amazing that this is still here. Dude, check it out. Method race wheels. Cool. Bitchin' old cabin. I want to film it, but there's graffiti all over with obscenities and rude things written. I don't know why people like to do that. Again, I think it's really rude. Just leave these places the way you found them.
Do a pull up. Do a pull up. No. John Baker.
This is a good one.
We're to get our spines rearranged.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go see a chiropractor.
It's a lot of. Yeah. My hands are full.
Yeah, brother.
You shouldn't have done that. He's just a boy.
The wrong kid died.
Yeah, finally grind it. This may not seem like much, but in this car it's a lot. So what, Chocolate Thunder? Is that next?
No, dude. That would be wild.
Oh, sorry, Turkey Claw. You can do it.
Turkey claw, yeah, right.
Got quite the chase team there.
Alright. Well, we've definitely gotten ourselves in a pickle. Oh, I can't bend down that low. Oh no, I think we got this. Oh no, we can get through this. Oh my god. Steering is so tight. Is this a river or is this our radiator running out? Radiator's pissed, engine's pissed. We definitely have some challenges ahead of us. We're almost out of water. We got a little bit left in here. Okay. That'll do. Is this going in the car? Yeah.
Lubricated water, people.
Yeah.
Keeps that water pump nice and
fun. Ow. I'm gonna die out here. Fatigue is definitely starting to set in. We don't know how many more miles of this we've got because the cell phones have no service. But we have no choice but to trudge on. Not the most fun. Oh boy, look at this.
Hard left. There you go.
You have another block.
What?
You do have another engine block.
Oh yeah, I don't care about that at this point. The motor's got cracks all over it. It's just beating me up. That's not a good sign. I hate to tow this thing because we've done so well so far, but the sand is killing this thing. And the brazing is coming undone on the radiator, so no matter how much water we put in it, it just dumps out like almost as fast as you pour it in. So I think we have to tow it at least through the sand. I can't get any traction anymore. It's like, it's working hard to just go a mile an hour. It's shaking, and I don't want to destroy the car. You know, it's a cool car, so I think we have to, I don't know, swallow our pride here and have Jake help us out. Maybe once we get to the highway, we'll keep driving it. I swear, this is like admitting defeat. I hate it. It hurts my soul. But this guy is my saving grace.
75%. That's a C.
Yeah.
That's a passing grade.
Dude, we've already done, what, like 30 miles in the dirt? On one of the harder trails out here, too. Like, everything has been Jeeps and four-wheel drive trucks, so we're doing pretty good. It's impressive. All right.
Time to go home.
Let's go home. Oh yeah, I have no idea how we would have got through this. It's so sandy and so rocky. This is the hardest spot yet. We made a couple of mistakes on this adventure. One of which, and the most severe, being not bringing the sunscreen. 2, we took the wrong trail. And it is so much worse than the way I was gonna go. But we're doing all right. I'm driving my buddy's Jeep now because I had to get out of the sun. My fair Irish skin couldn't handle anymore. And we're way off course, like hours. And the worst mistake of all, especially when filming a YouTube, is my camera is full. So I'm actually using Snapchat to record this. And the DJI that we use to film YouTube, it's full. All the memory cards I brought, they're full. I am so happy to be out of that thing. Oh my god. It's really an impressive car, but oh my god, it's horrible out here. I don't know why we did this. It was fun though, and I have no regrets. What, did you just tape it?
I was trying to, but it didn't do anything.
I think it'll make it down the highway.
Once it gets below the tank, it'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be great.
Great. Maybe next time.
We got this. We got this. It'll make it. Oh no. She's junk. We got this. 20 more miles. It is so nice to be on a highway. Ah! What do you think we're doing? 45?
Yes.
Amazing.
Whatever it is, we're doing it. I wouldn't have it any other way.
I don't think I've ever been this happy to go 45. It feels like it's raining because there's so much water coming off the radiator.
My hand is wet.
Oh, she's melting down. There's water coming in the car. There's water coming in from everywhere. I don't know. She's going nuclear, boys. Oh, she's really on her last leg. I'm pretty sure I heard a rod bearing. I heard some new sounds. Yeah, put gas on it. Jeez.
What is driving Baker today? Hopes and dreams.
That was hands down the most uncomfortable drive I've ever been on in my entire life. But somehow I enjoyed every minute of it. I think we should go on another adventure in this car. I think we should do something even more radical or more extreme. I've got a fresh engine laying around. I'm gonna get a fresh radiator for it. We're gonna get it mechanically sound, maybe throw some fresh tires on it, and go somewhere really far or do something very, very difficult in it. I would like you guys to subscribe and like, and please comment below where you think we should drive this thing, within reason. Till next time.